Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your watch history on TikTok. First, go on TikTok in your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen. Select Settings in Privacy. Scroll down a little and tap on Activity Center. Tap on Watch History. Now you can see all the videos that you have previously watched on TikTok. And that's it. This is how you check your watch history on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we upload a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.